Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Inspiron 16. This is the Plus 7640 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip it over to access our bottom case screws. Now this bottom case has 8 screws. 2 of the screws near the green arrows, those screws stay in the case. The other ones will fully come out, but those screws stay in. They will lift the case up a little bit, making it easier for us to take that case off. Once you get those screws out, you're going to take your small flat plastic pry tool and insert it here in the rear next to the hinge assemblies. You're going to pop this side of the bottom case up first and then work your way down both sides and then do this edge last. Make sure not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to take that bottom case off. Once you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and that will be a list of all those tools, supplies, and replacement parts for this model computer. Now, before doing anything in a computer, it's always wise to remove or at least unplug the battery. Computers are safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. This is your battery right down here along the bottom of my screen. It's held in by 6 screws shown by the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. To unplug the battery from the motherboard, it's usually best not to pull on wires or cables in a computer. You could damage them or you could pull them right out of the plug. So it's generally best to just manipulate the plug itself. This one did have grips on either side that you could grip with your fingernails or a pry tool to remove. But because it was so close to the battery, I did have to unscrew all the screws first, lift the battery up a little bit and out so I could get some room to wiggle that plug out of that port. One of your speakers is over here near the right of my screen. The other is over here near the left. Now these speakers are not screwed down. They're just held down by these blue rubber washers over these posts. You just wiggle it off of those posts and that's how you get the speakers up. This speaker to the left of my screen, it plugs in by these wires, this red and black wire. It's run down here, threaded through here, and plugs into the motherboard right here after it joins up with the white and blue wire from this speaker. Now be very careful with these wires. They're very fragile. Definitely don't pull them out of that plug. Use your fingernails or a pry tool to wiggle that plug out of that motherboard port instead of pulling on the wires. Also, if you are replacing your speakers, make sure you run these wires exactly as seen in your computer. So pause this video if you have the exact same model, or if not, take a picture of your computer, because if you don't run these wires exactly as they're supposed to be, they could pinch on something when you try to put your battery back in or when you try to put your bottom case back on. I will have some replacement speakers in that list I told you about below in the description of all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer if you're looking for help finding a replacement. Also, if you're having sound quality issues in your computer, if the sound is not consistent across different programs, it may not be bad speakers. It may be a system or a driver issue. If you want help troubleshooting that before you come in here, I will have a video link below in the description, also above in the video, and it will be a tutorial showing you how to make sure all your drivers in your system are up to date. And as long as you're DIYing this in your computer, consider upgrading your storage. That could increase the performance and the speed and the storage capacity of your computer. If you want to find out how to do that, there'll be a video that pops up at the end of this one. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your 16 Plus 7640 and access your speakers.